Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our state-of-the-art container office fabrication facility. We specialize in transforming shipping containers into innovative and eco-friendly workspaces. Join us as we explore the process of turning these steel giants into functional modern offices. Welding. Welding plays a crucial role in transforming a 40-foot shipping container into a functional office space. Skilled welders meticulously cut openings for windows and doors, ensuring precision and structural integrity. They join steel frames for added support and stability, creating a framework for interior modification. Welding also secures insulation and electrical components in place, ensuring the container is safe, weatherproof, and ready for the next phase of customization. It's the cornerstone of turning metal into comfortable, productive workspaces. Paintworks. The painting process of a container office begins with an undercoat. This layer serves as a protective barrier, preventing corrosion and ensuring longevity. After the undercoat, the first layer of paint is applied. This is where aesthetics come into play, as the container exterior takes on its final color and finish. The careful application of this initial layer not only enhances the office appearance but also further shields it from environmental elements, making it durable and visually appealing workspace. Gypsum padding and rock wool. In the container office construction process, we prioritize insulation for comfort and energy efficiency. We use rock wool insulation, known for its excellent thermal properties. It's carefully installed between the metal framework, providing effective temperature control. Gypsum board are then affixed over the insulation, creating a clean and fire-resistant interior surface. This combination ensures a comfortable and safe workspace, maintaining a pleasant environment year-round.
what's left is
Window glasses. Our skilled professionals adeptly fit window glasses into the container office. First, they measure and prepare the openings precisely to accommodate the windows. Next, they install insulated glass panes securely, ensuring energy efficiency and noise reduction. Frames and seals are expertly positioned to prevent leaks and enhance structural integrity. The finished result is a well-lit and well-insulated workspace with a professional and inviting exterior appearance.
dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Flooring. Our expert team meticulously installs tile flooring in the container office. They begin by preparing the subfloor to ensure it's level and stable. Precision is key as they lay the tiles with attention to detail, creating a sleek and durable surface. Grout is expertly applied, providing both structural integrity and a polished look. The result is a stylish and easy to clean floor that enhances the overall functionality and aesthetics of the container office. Our inspection of the container office includes assessing the AC system for optimal cooling and functionality. We meticulously examine sockets to ensure proper electrical connection and safety. Lighting fixtures are checked for proper illumination and secure installation, ensuring a comfortable and productive workspace for our clients.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
AC fitting. Efficient AC fitting is essential for a comfortable container office. Expert technicians install a split system air conditioner, positioning the indoor unit strategically to maximize airflow and cooling. This ensures a pleasant working environment regardless of external temperatures. Before a night delivery, our team conducts thorough preparation, ensure all necessary permits and route plans are in order. The container office is securely loaded onto a specialized transport vehicle and all safety measures including proper lighting are in place. This meticulously planning guarantees a smooth and safe nighttime delivery to the client's site. Waruiti bam, project yake ofisi. Just feel good, bro. Feel very, very good. Offloading. Upon arrival at the client site, our experienced team coordinates the offloading process efficiently. We carefully position the transport vehicle using precision equipment and safely lower the container office into its designated spot. Our attention to detail ensures a seamless and hassle-free setup, allowing the client to quickly start using their new workspace. Thank you for embarking on this container office journey with us. As we sign out of this project, we leave behind a space that blends innovation and functionality. May this workspace inspire productivity and creativity. Your vision or expertise, a partnership that transforms ideas into reality. And thus for you is Cubes and Containers Design Kenya.